back to the channel for another Buc-ee's construction update. Today is Saturday, June 7th, 2025. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio.
We're standing on Arts Road, right across the street from the location of Ohio's First Buc-ee's. Before we start the video, I'd like to point out that Sonia is wearing the appropriate t-shirt. Okay, as you can tell, Sonia's got on her Buc-ee's t-shirt. I'll turn around and we'll show everyone what the back says. It says, "Follow me to Buc-ee's." Kind of like follow the arrows, right?
That's right.
For this week's construction update, we can see the steel framework is still going in place for the entrances, and they've also added some framework to the side of the building. Kind of looks like the area where the ice machines go. The exit ramp from I-70 West to 235 has been reopened. They still got a lot of work going on there, but at least the exit ramp's not closed anymore. We're standing on Arts Road. Last week we told you we thought they were going to repave this road. Did that happen, Sonia?
Didn't happen.
They put the island in down here at the end of the road, and I guess our best guess is all that paving equipment that was sitting here was probably used over on Centerpoint Boulevard.
Yeah, since they did do work over there.
The blacktop work appears to be done over there on Centerpoint Boulevard, which we got some drone video of that for you. Other than the framework for the entrances on the side of the building, the south fuel pump island area, they're doing some work there. We caught them in action there. They're taking some gravel and filling in some of the areas underneath where the fuel pumps are going to go. So, other than that, work continues to progress down here. Next year this time, we'll be able to bring you a video from inside the store.
Yep. Getting some brisket sandwich.
Well, that'll do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This is the exit ramp from I-70 West, State Route 235. Here you can see some of the construction that's taking place on this exit ramp to get ready for the new Buc-ee's store. I'm standing on Arts Road, looking towards the Buc-ee site. You see that new island that they built down there at the intersection of Arts Road and 235. As you can see, last week we thought this road was going to get repaved, but that didn't happen. There's a little blue Jeep sitting on Arts Road. So, the road's not in too bad a shape, so I guess they didn't feel the need to repave it. We look out here into this field next to Arts Road. We see the bulldozer is still sitting out there in the middle all by itself. No activity here, nothing's changed. When you're making a video, you just never know what you're going to capture. Here we see a truck driver making a turn from State Route 235 on the Crosspoint Boulevard. He makes a mistake and turns into the eastbound lane instead of the westbound lane. Fortunately for this driver, there wasn't any oncoming traffic coming at the time he made this mistake, and as you can see, he's able to make the correction here at the opening here that takes you into the Wendy's and Taco Bell. Here's a look at the north fuel pump island area. To the right, you see where the underground fuel storage tanks are located. This is a view of the north parking lot, currently being used for storage and offices. Here's the retail store. You can see the progress that's been made since last week. Added some framework to the outside of the buildings. Kind of looks like the areas where the ice machines will be located. Here's an aerial view of the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. Gives you an overview of the construction progress that's taken place on this exit ramp. This is Center Point Boulevard, down by the Taco Bell and the Wendy's. You can see that new lane that's been added here. Looks like we're not too far away from it being opened up for use.